How to create pin in Messenger. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can create a pin in Messenger. So let's get started. First step, open up your Messenger app and make sure you're logged in into your account. After you've done that, you can then head over to the menu section on the bottom right. After you do that, you will then need to head over to the settings option. Now, after you're on your settings, you can see a lot of different options. What you'll need to do is you will need to head over to your privacy, or basically your end-to-end encrypted chats. To head over there, you will need to head over to your privacy and safety. To head over to your privacy and safety, it's right here. Tap on it. And after you're here, there you'll find the security section where you'll find end-to-end encrypted chats. Head over there. Now there you'll find message storage. Head over to message storage and simply turn this on. After you've turned it on, here you'll find set pin if you haven't set it already. Since I've already set it, I have a reset pin option. Basically tap on it and create a new pin. After you've created a new pin, you can confirm the pin and then finally submit. Now, what this does is that whenever you are on a new device or whenever you're backed up, this will sync your chat history. This is just a security method to restore your chat history on any other device that you log into. And yeah, that's basically it. That's how easy it is. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.